How to use a Venmo Teen account for young users. So for that, first of all, open your Venmo and then from here tap on sign up. After doing that, now what you're going to do is select teen just like this, then tap on continue. After doing that, here you'll need to choose whether you are a teen yourself. You can tap on continue, or if you are trying to create this account for your teen, then you can tap on the option I'm a parent or guardian. For now, let's tap on continue. Then from here, what you're going to do is write down your phone number and then tap on send code. After doing that, there will be the verification requirement. You'll be getting an OTP. Simply copy that code and then paste it right here, then you'll be verified. After doing that, there will be the option of adding down your legal name, so simply do that. Then there will also be further process of adding down your social security number or something like that. You can simply go along with the process, add all the necessary documents and fill up all of the necessary informations, and then you'll be able to create your Venmo Teen account for young users, and that is it. If you guys do have any queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.